Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation right here. Guys, if you have one of those, you want to see where your relays are located. Okay, relay location. It's actually hidden. Most people don't even know where they're located. You have to do some disassembly to get to most of them relays. Some you may reach without removing a lot of things, but in order to get to all the relays, we'll need to disassemble a few panels. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. If you have electrical problems, guys, please do not waste money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be simple fix, such as a bad relay. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So, guys, now, what about the relays? Where they're located on that Volkswagen Tiguan? You have two locations. The first one is quite easy. Come here under the hood, guys, we'll show you. Okay, here what we have, this is, okay, let me close that thing. This is the main fuse box. Okay, here it's locked in place, but if you slide these things to the front, the unlock symbol will appear on the back. You see? It's unlocked now. So if you grab and wiggle that box gently up, it comes out. You have two relays right here. They're quite important relays, but that's not all. You're going to have more than 10 relays. You wonder where? Open the driver door. Guys, here, what we need to do next. Under the steering wheel on the left side where the storage compartment is, I want to show you here you have two knobs holding that storage compartment in place. If you push to the inside and pull down, it comes out. Do that on the other side. Then you grab it, you slide it out of the hinges. You see how it's cut? And here, guys, underneath, okay, is the main interior fuse box and quite a few more relays, but you cannot get to all of them. You'll be surprised how many relays you have. We need to remove that panel, so let's go ahead, do that, explain how to do it step by step, and we'll continue with the relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test the fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, let us show you now what we need to do. We open the storage compartment here. Here you have one stop on the side and one on this side. In order to release it, you grab that side and push it in and pull out at the same time. Okay, give me a second. Right there. And the same thing on this side. It comes out. Now you grab, pull it out of the hinges. The hinges are cut, so you can pull it out. Now, what do we guys need to do here? Let us show you. Okay, here we have actually a few hidden screws. Let's go ahead and remove those. Okay, so these screws, guys, okay, the first one will be right here. Okay, so Torx 20 start looking big. We're going to go ahead and remove that screw right there. Okay, one is out. One on this, two on this side actually you have. Let us show you now. Okay, this one's coming out too. You may have a footwell compartment airbag. Be careful if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags. Do not remove it, do not touch it, do not play with the wires, because it can cause malfunction that can cause injuries or even death. Now guys, okay, here, let me see if we have anything else holding in place. Here we're going to, let me see, pry that cover open, see if we have underneath. We have one on top, I know for sure, but I want to see. Okay, here we'll have a few more. And guys, let me show you now. We have a clip here, there as well, a clip there. Okay, it comes out. Here you have two more. Okay, let me see if I can unscrew them. Perfect. Okay, like that. Three more actually, three guys. I thought it's two, it's actually three holding it in place. Okay, perfect. And one more right here towards the bottom. Quite complicated design, guys. Okay. And okay, it's coming out now. So guys, we're not done. Okay, you think that panel is ready, but guys, right here we need to go ahead, okay, pry that holder here. Okay, because here we have another. Okay, so you have practically two clips, metal clips, you see right there. We'll flip it that way, not to rest on the instrument cluster, because we can scratch it. Here with the screwdriver, we're going to remove another screw now, holding it in place. So far you can see how many, 3, 6, 7 screws I believe we removed. Now, let me see if that one's all free now. I believe it just has a clip here. We're going to double check now. Okay, because I don't want to damage the dash here, so give me a little bit of time to research the whole thing. Yeah, it has a clip here, guys. Quite tight clip, by the way. So if I come right here, okay, because this is part of the dash, so it cannot come out. So let me see exactly where that clip is, how it's holding in place. But okay, here there is a screw, guys. I'm touching a screw. Okay, it looks like we have a screw somehow. So give me a second to make sure that it's not from under the vent here, because it might be holding here as well. Let me research some and I will continue with the next step. So guys, there is a trick. You cannot pry the switch, you're gonna break it. Okay, there is a hidden screw right here in the middle. That's what we looked with the light. What you guys need to do, headlights need to go to the 0 position. Push down on the switch. While you're pushing down, turn to headlights and pull out. Watch this thing out, okay? The switch comes out, hidden, right? Okay, hidden mechanism. Okay, how you do that? Because it releases, guys, okay, the clips, so we can go ahead, okay, and do that. You see how the clips go in and out. Now we can go ahead and disconnect that switch. Here there will be a hidden screw on top, right there, and you see that's the screw. Go ahead, remove that screw now. Once we remove the screw, okay, so this is number 8 so far, 8 screws we've removed. We need to disconnect the switch for adjusting the lights. Okay, this one can actually come out and do it on this side. Okay, and then come through here, that panel will come out. But guys, Okay, you think you're done, right? Well, check this thing out now. The relays, guys, are right here. Okay, you're going to have some relays, body control module, guys, and by the way, okay, you're going to have hidden ones as well. You wonder where? Well, how you're going to access them? Okay, through the bottom there and behind that panel. But here, okay, now give us a little bit of time to get here things ready. Okay, right there on the inside, your relays. Okay, let's leave the light up a little bit. Okay, 1 second. Your relays are hidden back there. Okay, check them out, guys. You see, those are your relays, main relays. So guys, as you can see, that's where the interior fuse box is located. You can access it just by opening the storage compartment, and those bottom relays, this is the 2015 practically Euro model relay outlet here, right here, guys. But if you have 2008 to 2014, 13, 14, you have more relays here, it will differ. And the other block, okay, is actually in the corner right here. Now, how you access it, guys, it's practically, okay, very small hands. You might be able to reach some. If you can't, you may need to remove the interior fuse box, the BCM, and access it from right here. You'll be able to do it because all that will be empty after that. But quite inconvenient location, guys. Now, if you want to see guys, specific videos about, let's say, fuel pump, radiator fan, fuses, relays, all that will be on our channel. Check it out. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.